everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have a brand new video to share with all of you. Today I'm super excited to be reviewing and demoing the D.I.Y Purifying Kit from Ulta Beauty, their store brand, I guess that's what you want to call it. It's a 3-piece exfoliating kit that has some exfoliating powder and some clay mask and some lemon extract booster drops. So I'm going to get into it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I hope everything goes well with this kit right here. I'm changed and ready to make this video and see what concoction we are going to create with this kit right here. I'm really excited. So let's see what we get. Oh, pretty fancy looky. It looks like a science kit, literally. You have your quartz eucalyptus leaf extract exfoliating grains. We're going to get into that. We're jumping into everything today. We have here the kaolin plus matcha powder to clay mask formula, and we have the super cute little bottle of hyaluronic acid and lemon extract. First step is we're going to make our exfoliator. You take your favorite cleanser. Mine is the Clean and Clear Lemon Cleanser. We're going to take our cleanser and put it in our hand, like so. We're going to use a pinch of the purifying exfoliating grains. Open that up. And ooh, it smells so clean and fresh. It says a pinch, so we'll see how that goes. No measuring here, folks. I guess that's a pinch to me. I'm going to emulsify in our hands. It is very strong. Ooh, the grains are there. Pretty light though. I think it'll be good for sensitive skin. We're going to put it on our face, and it's a real light exfoliation, nothing too harsh. I'm going to use a little bit of my water here. This is impromptu face care. Emulsify it onto our skin. It smells so good. It feels so nice, and it actually boosts the scent. Like, it smells very lemony and herbal at the same time. The grains are so they're not deep exfoliators like I thought they would be. I thought they were going to be those deep, hard-hitting granules, but they're not. They're just on there. I think it's time to rinse this off, and then we're going to make our face mask mixture. My face is so super clean from it. I don't know if you can notice, but there's like a glow to my skin. It's just a natural, clean, refreshing glow. I think it was pretty good. I'm going to start making the mask, and I've used one of these kind of masks back in the day when I went to Mellow College for esthetician school. Well, I remember what used to happen to my face when I used a similar product. Yeah, I was so red. I have my teaspoon and my mixing bowl. I love it so much. And I'm going to dive into the powder here. Oh wow, it kind of smells similar to the mask that I used to use. It's going to make a mess probably, but it's okay. Okay, I did my 1 tablespoon of the powder, and it didn't create too much of a mess. I'm going to take some water that I have here, and hopefully it doesn't make a mess. Add in my drop. I'm going to take a measuring spoon that I have for a next step that we are going to do and mix that water. It's kind of like doing a cake, I guess. Add in some more water, and we're making a clay mixture, and we're going to stir that all around. Stir, stir, stir. You can already see some of the mask starting to appear. This is what the mask looks like after tons of stirring and adding little bits of powder here and there and stirring it. Not too much. We're not adding a lot of powder, just sprinkling in some. This is the consistency that we got. Make sure all the powder is properly blended. It smells so amazing. If you want to add a boost to your mask, you can add 2 droplets of the hyaluronic acid to the mask, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put that over there to the side. I'm going to open this up, and it's a droplet, and we're adding 2 droplets. And it's pretty much already there. And we're adding 1, 2. I probably added 3, but that's okay. And then stirring that all around. Smells so amazing. If you have a spa mask brush, you can use that. I'm probably going to scoop the mask with my measuring spoon because why not? We're going to put some in our hand and then see how it feels. We're applying it to the neck, all over. Ooh, it feels pretty good so far. It smells so good. The spoon is just too tedious, in my opinion, so we're just going to go all up in it with our hands. Applying it all over our face and neck. Making sure we don't get into our eyes. Oh, it smells so good. It really does look like a clay mask. I don't really feel anything happening yet. Like, so far so good. I don't feel any tingling. Kind of feels cool because I have the fan on. Okay. This mask is pretty simple and easy to do. It's like self-explanatory. You wait until it totally dries down, until you can feel no wet spots. It just pretty much hardens down to a clay, but not where it's cracking. You don't want the mask to crack. You just want it to be firm, toned, and pretty much tense. This is what the mask looks like once it's completely dried down. It's very clingy. Like, you cannot move your face at all. Like, this is me happy. Like, you cannot move anything. I didn't feel anything with the mask. No tingling, no burning, no stinging sensations, nothing. Completely comfortable to use. I washed some dishes while I was gone. Forgot that I totally had the mask on, and realized it when Jay tried to talk to me, and I was like, I can't move my face, really. Like, this is as much as I can do now. So, don't expect too much from me. And I'm going to go wash this off now, and then come back to you with the last step of our video, which is the toner. Right now it's time to soothe everything down, and I'm going to make the toner. I'm going to add some cool water to a bowl. Then we're going to add 3 droplets of the hyaluronic acid to our bowl mixture. So, shake off the excess. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on. 3. Then we're going to stir it up. And I don't have any kind of like spoon right now, so a plastic butter knife will do the trick just fine. It will do the same thing. It'll mix it just fine. Swirl that around. Then you could take any kind of like cotton round, or maybe a clean washcloth. Something very gentle on the skin that will be soothing. Or you could just simply take your hands and get them nice and damp in the mixture like so, and then just work it on your face. That will help calm and soothe your skin. It doesn't really have a scent to it. There's no lemon smell or scent, not even an herbal scent. There's absolutely no scent to this whatsoever. Those are all the steps that were part of the D.I.Y Purifying facial kit from Ulta Beauty. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I did add some moisturizer to my skin. In case you're wondering, I used the Earth to Skin Tea Time Black Tea Night Cream just to give it some soothing and some like calming feels, so that's what I used. I enjoyed making the video and sharing the product with you and actually going through the motions, so I think it would be a good fun product for someone to try. Great for a spa weekend if you're into like a nice spa setting. You can definitely get the spa feel and just glow from the product. I feel like they have a pretty good spa vibe. It would be very nice if you had someone else do the product for you. You can really relax with the products. You would feel like you're just at a spa, which is amazing. So I really think that the Ulta Beauty Purifying Kit is something worthwhile to check out and to purchase. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below, as well by pressing that notification bell. You'll be notified when I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those uploads. Follow me on all my social media so that way you can get the latest scoops on when a new video is posted and with whatever I'm doing if you're interested, so follow me there. You can get some great steals and deals by checking out all the affiliate links and coupon codes listed down below. I have my Avon shop listed down below as well, so that way you can have some quick, easy, hassle-free shopping at the convenience of your own home. So let me be a representative today, and I'd be super appreciative and grateful and would love to give you a great Avon experience. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.